Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry, and in tonight's free video, I wanted to bring you 5 different names that I think, have potential for a breakout. I know that index prices are a little bit elevated, and a lot of folks have been trying to call for the top. A couple of weeks into the end of July, you could see the markets come in. But if you're looking for spots with the potential of breakout, let's get into a few of these reviews. Remember that in these free videos, I am almost always going to have the foundation of my setup be a squeeze, right? I like when that squeeze has several days of consolidation, and it's the idea that eventually when this signal fires, kind of like it did back here, that squeeze signal will drive a directional move. So when we look at Snowflake, we can see a really clean horizontal area of resistance. So inside that, we could get back to the 50-day simple moving average, right? That's where we found a bid before. But once you can clear about that 185, eventually we're gonna have a breakout that I believe takes us up into 200, and I'll be targeting 220 after that. So, like I said, it's a pretty healthy list, so I'll pick up the pace a little bit. And again, the key part of a lot of these breakouts is that right now, they are absolutely at resistance, right? You can see in roadblocks where you had the previous gap, and as we have come back into that, you are out, you're seeing sellers right there around 45. But once 45 can finally be chewed through, and anybody that's got, trauma over this that wants to just try to scratch the trade out, right? Once all of that has taken place, then I think 53 and possibly further, right? Because a lot of them that I'm bringing to you also have 2-day squeezes. So if you're familiar with the concept on the daily, you're just doubling your time frame, and it's the idea that those could provide a stronger signal. So we also have CyberArk, right? This is a 2-day squeeze that is trying to get some lift right here. Again, I'm not telling you that these are on sale or that they are discounted prices by any means, but I do think that they have the pattern and the potential to outperform. So again, here, clearing a major 618 squeezes that show us the same type of bullish nature. We've got Google that I think has gone through whatever correction it needed to, the little pullback below 118, the pause that refreshes, and now you have 2 bars of the squeeze histogram that are shifting to being bullish. And then finally, Chipotle, where we're just at this phase in the current market where, again, so many I feel like are calling for this crash or what have you, but new lifetime highs are going to continue to bring future lifetime highs, right? Chipotle is up here at lifetime highs. Everyone that has bought it and has not used a stop, they're making money. So, that just helps these types of names continue to rip. And after you see days like what you saw today, it helps the idea that external retracements are coming, and it won't be too long before this is a 22 and maybe even a $2,500 stock. So I hope that brings you some helpful names, some patterns and targets that I believe we'll be discussing again in the future, and we'll see how that looks into the end of the week. So y'all have a great monthly expiration, and I will see you at the next free video. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.